So in the last video for this section, we are going to look at how to export map. Alright, so basically this is a suitability map of most of the thing we've used for this video. So we're going to just look at how to export in this video. That's our job here. So you go to File and you come down to Export Map. Now while we're on the export map, you see that we have save as type. Those are the data types. We have EMF, EPS, AI, that's Illustrator, PDF, SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics, PMB, JPEG, PNG, TIF, GIF, the graphical whatever. It's more like so, but these are the file format you can actually be able to save. If you want to put it in your Microsoft Word, you use JPEG. If you want to go and print, you use PDFs. So depending on what you want to achieve, if you're trying to use it for maybe web, you use SVG. So depending on what you want to do, you save them based on that. So let's save it as a JPEG. So it's going to be suit. So I'm just going to say suit and leave it like that. Now your resolution, you should just increase it to minimum of 600 or 1000 depending on, so that while you save it still maintain quality. Don't use the default 300 that you have there. So use 600 or anything above. But let's try 1000. Though it's going to take long and it's going to have a heavy output at the end of the day. So let's click save. So you see that because of the weight, it's already making my system look as if you won't go gaga. So basically the resolution matters, but you save it based on the graphics you have in your system. All right, so once this export, that brings us to the end of the video and also the end of module section chapter 12. So you've been seeing that in the video cost of the class, I've been making reference to either it is I call it chapter or I call it module, I call it section, anyone that makes you understand, it's fine, right? So you see that it is now exporting. So it's done. So if we want to see it now, we could see we have the local part here. So I double click and you see that it's even loading to taking time for it to load. So this is the final output we have from the export. So thank you for tuning in and thank you for staying to this time to be able to learn to this. And so we're going to the last session of this course. Yay!